Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2014 Volkswagen Amarok dual cab Trendline ute, stock reference number 4323. The shape runs from the 12th month 2010 and is the current shape. It has a CSHA 2-litre 4-cylinder twin turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front 4-wheel drive transmission. CSHA 2-litre 4-cylinder twin turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left hand front. We have the right hand halogen headlight, right hand fog light with surround, left hand fog light with surround. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre with a left power door mirror in black. Left front door has 2 small dents. We have a pair of factory chrome side steps with all bolts and brackets. Left rear door has 1 small dent. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Factory fitted chrome sports bar with all fittings. Left hand tail light. Tailgate has 2 small dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear factory 16-inch alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Right rear door has 2 small dents. Right front door also has 2 small dents. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. And a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. It is a grey vinyl centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, single zone heater controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.